As the diplomats and the journalists of the free world tell you, Beijing doesn't want the world to know of its treatment of the Eastern Turkistani people. They prefer to carry on their repression out of sight of the world. Even when the natural disasters strike, China seeks to withhold information, fearing that aid workers will convey to Americans and others, the international community, the ongoing horrors of China's occupations. East Turkistanis seeks to determine their own future. They're distinct in every way as a people. They seek the right to select their leaders and control their fate as do other nations around the world. We turn to the free world, the international community, and the United States as the most important of those nations. The people of East Turkestan turn to the United States and international community as well. So many others seeking freedom and self-determination have done over the years. We seek that the free world and the United States raise our voice on behalf of the millions of Eastern Turkestanis whose voices are kept silent. We ask that the world, all of the free world, make clear to Beijing that human rights, including human rights of Eastern Turkestan, matter to U.S. What I'm saying is that it's not the only thing what we want, human rights. When we talk about human rights, our self-determination or independence is our basic human rights. If you have anything and everything but your freedom, your liberty, or your independence, then we feel we don't have anything. Until today, we lost everything because we don't have the independence. We ask the international community, the United States, and the Republic of Turkey, for instance, and Great Britain, Japan, and so on, all of the international community, to press the United Nations to itself investigate, or themselves to investigate the just cause of Eastern Turkestani people, and working directly with their true representative. It is us, the East Turkestani government in exile. The East Turkestani government in exile, not the puppet appointed by the Beijing, or not with somebody who was loyal to the Beijing government. We asked the international community to continue its pressure that China truly end its nuclear test, even though it said that ended, but I don't believe that. And end its use of our region as a dumping ground for nuclear waste. We ask the international community, the United States, for instance, seek the right to visit the prison and the labor camps scattered throughout our homeland. For instance, the United States already has laws preventing the import of goods made by prison labor. Much of that labor is to be found in our homeland. The East Turkestani people ask only to control their own fate. We seek to join the international community of nations in openness and peace. We seek to share our plentiful natural resources with the people of the world. Yesterday, some of our American friends or guests mentioned some of their proposals, saying that, I let Lloyd Miller, just tell his proposal. Why don't we let the Chinese or the government of China let all of the natural resource under your land, but leave the people of Eastern Turkestan free. This is his idea, for instance, and I still admire his idea. What we need is not, the most important thing for us, live as an independent state. Regardless of that you're poor or rich. So we seek to share our plentiful natural resource with the people of the world. They must not be seen as a private preserve of Beijing. We turn to the international community. We turn to the about 200 independent states, including China. Especially to the United States of America, to the leaders of the Central Asian republics, Turkic republics, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Azerbaijan, and as one of the model of the Turkic people, Turkic country, we turn to the Republic of Turkey to raise the cause of Eastern Turkestan, to raise the existence of the government of Eastern Turkestan, and contact with us, approach us to get any information in terms of right on it is law. How do we deal with China? How to deal with the rest of the world? And we must play an important role, because with our such a wasteland, like presently it's seen as in the map, it's just too big. It consists of 1/6 of China's land. Our population is about 30 million. And we are totally in different nation with our culture, distinct culture, and history. So we turn to the international community to help us, so that we will help the international community to resolve such a complex matters anytime, because we are also the member of the international community, regardless of our current status, independence or not. We feel that we are an independent state, because we set up, we are trying to tell the world that what we want, how to deal with the international community. Thank you very much. And before we take the question from the media, I just want to invite. You want to say something? Okay, maybe. Okay, and Mr. Toniko, the professor of politics, a well-known, diplomat in Japan, and he came all the way from Tokyo to attend this event, 3-day event. So he is with us for 3 days right now, giving his wonderful insight and opinion and the proposal in terms of how to work together. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Toniko. Please.
Good morning, friends. I'm very happy to be here and convey our congratulations to you. Congratulations on establishment of the government in exile of the Republic of the East Turkestan and enactment of the Constitution of the nation. I feel very pleased about it and wish at this opportunity to express our respect and admiration to you. We know that you have been suffering very much under brutal control of the Chinese Communist government. The name of your homeland was changed from East Turkestan to Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. You have been denied your religion, language, and culture, and we are afraid that you are drowned by repeated waves of Han immigration from mainland China. I have been a professor of international politics at Tokyo Educational College for 20 years. Now I oversee a small research office